Awesome guys, Mayur this side and hope you are doing good as usual. And actually it's been long, very long that I came online. So I thought to just come online and share some of the views and answer some of your queries so that you can also get to know like what is going to happen in the upcoming seminar and everything. And also I wanted to share you few things around how this thing works. Okay, I like to talk about actually a little bit about faith and choosing the people, and the other part is the session which is going to happen on 1st of September, right? So I will just not I don't want to make this live a very big because currently I am here in Mumbai. And yeah guys, like I came here for some particular reason. Okay, the reason was actually I do follow a lot of different things. Okay, like the mindful stuff you can imagine, because the thing is you can get money in bounty and stuff, which is fine, but even to scale from there, even to get more out of it, and to make it happening to 2x 3x or 5x from where you are currently, it takes a different set of knowledge. Okay, so that is the reason I came here, and I thought to come online. Actually I was going outside, I'm done with whatever stuffs I have to, and I was going to Marine Drive and all, but somehow it's like heavily raining, so that's why I'm just sitting here. So yeah, so I will just talk about a few things. Okay, so even if you have any questions or anything, you can just drop in, and I will try to answer everything for you. Okay, so the first thing that I would like to answer is about this thing, faith. Okay, so what is faith actually? Okay, like a lot of people, they start things. Okay, they start things and they stop. Okay, so when I say they stop, it is like they start things, like everybody has some mind, and to do something in life. But what usually happens is they lose direction. Okay, they start things and after some time they stop. And why this is happening? Because they are having less faith. Okay, as simple. So currently I am sitting in one of the highest possible what you can say stay in this Marine Drive area, which is like a Trident. Okay, so when I was childhood, I used to go to Mumbai and stuff, and then I used to see that Kingfisher logo, and that this high rising skyscrapers, and I thought just one day I will be there and something. But although you cannot buy stuffs here, okay, when I say buy, you cannot buy the whole hotel or something like that, right? But you can stay here, you can get the view, and you can get some good feeling around here, and you can also meet very good people actually, which is the primary motive for me. So the thing is what I have learned, and what going to happen in the next session I will tell you. Okay, so you have to choose the people very wisely. Okay, when I say wisely, and I know this is not a conversation for everyone, because not everybody will understand. Okay, but the thing is you have to be very cautious around people. When I say cautious around people, you have to be very selective around people. Okay, you cannot just hang around with everyone. Okay, because that is not how things work. You have to have a certain set of people in your circle which are ahead of you. You cannot just live with the people who are just behind you, and and you can expect something good to happen. No bro, come on, this is not going to happen in real life, because that is not how things work. Okay, and in this upcoming seminar I will be talking about that thing a little deep. Okay, and on top of it, what I will be doing is actually I will tell you what is there in that seminar. Okay, because that is most of the questions is all around. So I will be talking about actually the InfoSec. Okay, and when I say InfoSec, the AI, the impact, and little bit about the journey and how you can get started in InfoSec. And it is not a crap thing, if you have not registered or anything for that, I would heavily recommend you to do it, because the thing is it is not a normal what you can say seminar which is going to happen. No, it is something which I have learned from my own experience around 8+ years, and then I have learned it. So the thing is, nobody is going to tell you all that stuff. Nobody, nobody is going to tell you what should be your next step. And when I say nobody, your friend should not be the person who will be telling you what to do next. No, because it doesn't work like that. Because your friends are like you guys only, and they also have not that much of years of experience, and it doesn't work in real life. Okay, so we'll be talking a lot in the upcoming webinar. Okay. And the other thing is around mindset. Okay. Like the mindset of how a bug bounty hunter look. Okay, like what are the basic pillars of bug bounty. So there is a lot of different mindset things which needs to be knowing by everyone actually. And it's not just bug bounty, you can apply it in wherever you are in your whole life. Okay, it is that crazy. Okay, and the thing is, the only reason why my students do really great versus, well, there is no versus, to be honest. Okay, so that's the reason, like why my students do really great, because they mostly train on the mindset thing, like the thinking ability and how to like find bugs, where are the positions and all that. So that's a crazy area. And yeah, it should be like if you are working, the first thing is, if you are working, then I would heavily recommend you to join the upcoming webinar. Why? Because there are things which you might not know, and nobody is going to come to your home and tell you, okay, do this, where so that some more money can flow in. Because the thing is, I will tell you, okay, like if you don't think from longer vision. Okay, when I say longer vision, like if you don't think in terms of money, from like where you will be accumulating money after 10 years, then there is no money. Okay, so that is the thing, you have to understand that. Like after 10 years from wherever you are, you might be having 1 CR to 2 CR at max, which I don't think is the value of any person living on the planet Earth. Right? So that is the thing. And is there any questions? Sir, is coding required for bug bounty? Well, I would say initially there is no coding required. Well, actually there is no coding required, bro. Like it's very hyped, or it's on a different tangent what people think. Like it is like super like tough or something like that. But no, it is not that tough, and there is no coding required, because there are students in my mentorship program who are from sales, and then there are students who are from HR background, and these guys are doing great. Like one of my friend, is HR, and he was not having any coding background and all, but he still scored somewhere around like $200 in 2 weeks. Around 1 month or something. Okay. So the thing is, it's not about coding and everything. It's all about the direction which is lacking, and that is the only thing I provide in my mentorship program. Okay. And the other part is actually the upcoming webinar actually that is going to happen on 1st September. Okay, it is very important, guys. See, I will tell you one thing. Okay, like the money is not going to come to you automatically, because money is not what you think, guys. Okay, money will never come to you automatically. Okay, if you are sitting in your house and then you are not putting efforts, and you are not doing anything, the money will never come to your house, right? Because that is not how things work in real life. Okay, and the other part is, you have to understand basic core fundamentals of life actually. Okay, once you understand the basic fundamentals of life, then you can do bug bounty or anything to make money very gracefully. Okay, because I will tell you one thing. Okay, what people do is they lost faith. Okay, very early they lost faith, and it's that hard. Like it's that hard to understand faith, that people just think it as one word and they go away. No, bro, come on, it doesn't work like that. So what I was saying, like currently I'm in one of the Marine Drive tallest building you can imagine, whatever. Okay, and if you have some history around Marine Drive, or guys who are in Mumbai or Nariman Point, so what it is I will tell you. So they built this land which was not even there, and they built these skyscrapers or commercial buildings and something like that. Okay, and then it is like the most demanded position, or like the most demanded area in Mumbai right now. So what I am telling you is, so you have to have faith, okay, to do things. Okay, if they have thought, okay, this is not going to happen, then how would it have been, right? Because this is built on it was nowhere, like they build it from scratch. They build it from they did the hard work, they pulled down rocks, they bought sand, whatever they need, and then it is built. So it is that crazy, guys. And if you think that money is going to follow you without doing any effort, then it won't be happening in real life. Okay, so that is the thing, and there are a lot of different stuffs that you will be seeing in the upcoming webinar. Okay, because the way I teach and versus the way what my mindset look is totally different. Okay, because what I usually teach my students is 2x, 3x, 4x from wherever they are. Okay, and it doesn't work in real life. When I say in real life, it doesn't work like very smooth way. There has to be a different knowledge to scale from wherever you are. Like it is that thing. First, you have to understand where you are, then you go from there, right? And in this upcoming webinar, I will tell you like all this stuff here, because these are core fundamentals which can change the way you think plus change the way you operate. Okay, and these things nobody will ever tell you because nobody cares. Okay, to be honest. And I usually tell my students some few of the stuffs, but teaching everything is also not that possible, because it is not for everyone. Not everyone will get it. So if I say, okay, I have some methodologies which can 2x or 3x your income, okay, you won't believe, right? But there are things which are there. It is that way. You gain knowledge which you think is good for you, okay, but you don't gain the knowledge which is there and working for others, and it is making them fortunes. So you have to be on that page. Okay, so I will tell you one story actually. Okay, when I was coming to Mumbai, in the morning. So what happened? I usually, Pune to Mumbai distance is very, very small distance. It's not that big. You can hardly travel in, like 2 or 3 hours at simple. But the train which I booked actually was having, what you can say. It was not on time, and I don't want to miss this opportunity to meet some new guys and learn the mindset opportunities and everything. I don't want to do this. So what I did is I jumped on the general coach. There is a concept of general coach. If you are not aware, there is a concept of general coach where like everything is crowded and everything. Okay, but the thing is, if you have ever traveled to a general coach, okay, I will tell you. If you have ever traveled to a general coach, then the door, once you put step in the door, it's heavily crowded. It's like crowded 1,000 times what you can even imagine. Okay, like there will be hundreds of people, and the first step that you took in a general coach, they will have like 1,000 people. Okay, forget 1,000 people, they will have 100 people. Okay, and then once you go in, then there will be people who is sitting on their seats. Okay, so well, for a normal person, you might not think anything happening there. Okay, because this is how your mindset is built upon. But the thing is, I will tell you what is happening there. Okay, what is the fundamental of life here. Okay, like if you don't go in, right, if you decide to stand with the people who is standing on the door, you will travel your whole 3-hour journey standing. Okay, so this is the first point. And the second point is, if you decide to go inside the door, bypassing all those people to where the people are sitting, then you will get a chance to sit on their seat, and then you will go and travel by sitting in the same position, by relaxing and getting what you want. Alright, so I hope it does make sense. But what the output or the outcome I want to tell you out of this is, it matters where you are and whom with you are. Okay, if you are standing with 100 people who is already standing, then you will travel standing, guys. As simple. And it's like real story, like I can make it more hypothetically or something like that, but it's a real story. Today I did that, I observed that, and it is that crazy. So then I decided to move in where people were sitting, and after half an hour I got a seat where one of the guys just told me okay to sit down, and I just sit down with them on the seat. So this is how things work in real life. Okay, if you are around people which are not making money, or not doing things, or not doing things where you want to be, then you will never reach there. As simple. It's written. You can waste 1 month, 2 months, 10 months, or even 100 months doing the same stuff which is leading to failure, versus you can do things which are right in the first place and go to the position where you want. Okay, so and these things nobody will tell you, because this things is the things of mindset. Okay, and once you are having a good skills, and once you have good skills, the next skill only left is the mindset. Okay, I'm not considering myself to be like fully skilled or something. No, bro, like come on. I have different like skill set and everything, but on top of it, I have a different mindset which makes me more skillful. Okay, because think in that way, whatever person who is skilled and everything can be replaced by AI and stuff, right? So you have to be more knowledgeable in actually gaining new skills, because that is how things work. Okay, I will tell you one
Mayur,
thing.
I am hydrated.
I will tell you one thing. So the thing is, why people don't make money every day? Okay, most of the people don't make money because they don't understand the flow of money, and nobody will tell you the flow of money and all. Okay, nobody will, because why will someone tell you the flow of money? Okay, see, money is not going to come to your door automatically. This is the first thing that you have to understand. And money is a flowing thing. It is not static. Okay, what does it mean is, if money is flowing in some direction, then you have to flow along with it, okay, to get it. Okay, you cannot be static, guys. Like, if you're just sitting, or if you're just not putting efforts or anything, then it will never work, guys. It is as that crazy, and that is the reason why most of the people just fails. And there are different. I have 1,000 plus, 2,000 plus calls with the students actually. Okay, definitely with the internal as well as the external. And the students which really do good is actually those who have good faith, plus they understand things require effort to get to money, as simple. And I will tell you, you might see lot of screenshots and everything, here and there. I'm just showing my student success stories, but those are real, because that is what they are doing. They are putting effort, they are getting out of it, and and that is how things work in real life. If you just just sit around and you don't do anything, then it doesn't work like that. So I'll just check if there is anything in the chat. Yeah, Dhruv, glad you joined. So jobless person working bug bounty part time. Yeah, bro. Bug bounty you can do anyone can do. It's not that a big deal. But growing in bug bounty is a serious deal actually, which I tell people how to grow in the bug bounty. And definitely I will again emphasize. Okay, I will again definitely emphasize to join the webinar on 1st of September, because the way I designed it might change definitely the way you are living right now. Okay, well, definitely there are some giveaways and everything, which you can get out of it, and definitely that's already there. But the other part is, okay, there is a flip side. There is a flip side which nobody actually tells you. See, I will tell you one more thing. Okay, the government has designed the system so that you earn the money, okay, and you pay the tax. As simple. You're not doing things for yourself. You're doing it for government actually. Okay, but there is a flip side. There are ways where you can get yourself from the top wherever you are and get some decent amount of money and everything. And yeah, guys, and I will tell you, there are really smart guys who just when they had a chance to book it for free, they booked it. Okay, and now there are guys who are paying 10x more for the same. Okay, and that is how the flow of money versus the flow of everything works in life. Okay, like knowledge flow, skill flow, work flow, or even if let's say you have money flow, everything is like that. It will be there in an what you can say for a second, okay, with you. And if you get the opportunity, you get it. If you lose the opportunity, you lose it. Okay, you cannot just think that okay, it will come back again and you will do. Okay, no, bro, come on, it doesn't work in real life. Okay, so that is the thing. And I would definitely recommend whoever is working professional. Okay, I'm emphasizing again, like whoever is working professional, to join that call. Okay, because if you are doing bug bounty plus that you are working and then you are doing things, the way you might be doing is different versus, like you might not be doing it with your full potential. That is what I'm saying. Okay, so join those calls and I will tell you. And if you lose this conversation, I just dropped like a lot of things actually, so you can just watch it and it will be really good for you. Just watch the video again and just upload it. Okay. And one more thing actually, in the upcoming section I will also have something around like the roadmap for bug bounty for those who are starting and all. And it is not like normal roadmap, guys, come on. There are a lot of people who can teach you different multiple stuffs which might not work. And there are people like me who can just tell you like what to do in the right thing at the right time and it will work. Okay, so I will give you a roadmap for that, and also like how you can find new bugs and all that stuff. Okay, and also the most important thing that should be the getaway of the webinar should be the mindset. Okay, and when I say mindset, it is not about those people who talk about mindset and they don't even know what is mindset. Okay, so we need mindset in terms of bug bounty, right? We are very specific. If you want to do things good, if you want to make good money, you have to be very, very specific, like what you are doing and what is the next action item. Okay, so that is the thing. I definitely have my skills, and for me the next action item is to gain more mindfulness things around bug bounty, so that I can 2x or 3x whatever I am earning. Okay, so that is my next step. And for those guys who are already in mentorship program, they might know all this. Okay, but there are few things that is going to come for them as too. And that is the whole purpose of me coming to Mumbai Marine Drive and having this conversation with a lot of people and learning stuff, so that I can delegate it for people who really need it, right? So it is as that crazy. And next I would like to tell you one more thing actually. Okay, let me just check if there are any chat. Yeah, Harsh, bro. Nice to see you too, bro. I hope you have started your bug bounty again, and you are killing it actually. So it's really good. So, and again, guys who are working, I would recommend to join that call, because the wealth and the thing that you are taught is nowhere close. Like making wealth and versus what you are doing is nowhere close. Remember that thing, and you have to have a different set of knowledge to achieve different things in life. Okay, so it is that crazy. And actually I have noted all these things. Okay, like I'm not just fluffing around anything whatever. No, I have written this all thing. Like I wanted to go online and I wanted to tell my audience this and ask them to more focus on the seminar which is going to come, so that they can learn things. Like it's for everyone, because I have audiences which are bug bounty hunters, which are infosec. They love to do infosec and everything, but they are lacking directions and everything. So yeah, I would recommend you guys to join it. And let me just check if I left anything. I think that's good for now. We can just directly connect on 1st of September, maybe, right? And I think it's 10 p.m. Right? Yeah, guys. And again, like the way I started this live is around faith. So if you have faith, okay, you can do anything. Okay, because it is the opposite of resilience, okay, and resistance. And these are like big words. You won't understand if you go deep inside it. Okay, like I gave you example of this Nariman Point where I am currently, like one of the tallest building where which was built on what you can say, sand. Come on, and there was nothing, and then it was built. So this is what happens in real life for all the things actually. Okay. So awesome, guys. I will drop for now because this I can actually talk about these things for more than 4, 5, 6 hours, and I don't want to consume everybody's time. So because this type of talk is not for everybody. Okay. Yeah, bro. Ishan. Hi. Hi. Actually, yeah, these are my students actually. So I think we can wrap this, and if you just missed whatever I just told, you can just watch it. I will upload it, and see you guys. See you on the 1st September, guys. Take care. Bye. Good night.